Welcome to Luxury Cars, where today, we're taking an in-depth look at the exterior of the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C9, a car that continues the legacy of an American icon while pushing the boundaries of automotive design and performance. With the C9, Chevrolet has not just refined the Corvette's iconic look, they've elevated it to a new level of sophistication and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive into the details of this stunning machine. The front fascia of the 2025 Corvette C9 marks a bold evolution, offering a dynamic yet aggressive stance. The front end features narrow, angular LED headlights that are sharp and modern, cutting across the car's sleek, sculpted body. Beneath them, you'll find a larger, wider grille that improves airflow to the engine while emphasizing the Corvette's slow-slung, race-inspired look. The grille's design is purposeful and aerodynamic, channeling air to enhance cooling while maintaining an aggressive aesthetic. From the side, the C9's exterior is a symphony of bold, aerodynamic lines. Every curve has a purpose, from the flowing body panels to the pronounced rear fenders that house the car's wide, performance tires. The profile is striking and streamlined, with a coupe-like roofline that blends seamlessly into the rear, giving the car an almost sculptural quality. The door panels feature sharp, sculpted lines that not only enhance its athletic look but also contribute to the vehicle's overall aerodynamics. Moving to the rear, the 2025 Corvette C9 continues to impress with its bold, aggressive design language. The rear features a wide stance, accentuated by new, signature quad taillights that are distinctly Corvette. These thin, horizontal LEDs evoke the iconic Corvette shape but with a futuristic twist. Below them, the dual exhaust system is integrated into a diffuser, providing both a menacing visual impact and enhancing the car's downforce's capabilities. The rear also boasts an active rear spoiler that adjusts to provide optimal aerodynamic performance, ensuring the C9 remains planted at high speeds. On the road, the exterior of the C9 isn't just about looks, it's about performance. The car's aerodynamics have been meticulously crafted to reduce drag and increase stability. The sculpted rear end, along with the aggressive front design, aids in maintaining stability at high speeds, improving cornering performance and reducing lift. With its low center of gravity and wide track, the C9 handles like a true sports car, capable of taking on any road with confidence. The wheels and tires on the C9 are another key highlight. Large, lightweight forged aluminum rims not only contribute to the car's stunning visual appeal but also optimize performance. These wheels are wrapped in high-performance rubber that provides exceptional grip and handling, ensuring the C9 sticks to the road no matter the conditions. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C9 is the perfect blend of form and function. Every detail, from the aggressive front grille to the sculpted rear, has been designed to enhance both the car's beauty and its performance. The exterior design isn't just about making a statement, it's about creating a car that is as capable as it is captivating. With the C9, Chevrolet has truly raised the bar for what a modern American sports car can be. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the exterior of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C9. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and exclusive content on the world's most luxurious and high-performance vehicles. Until next time, drive in style.